Hey everybody, I'm going to start this one with a quick warning. Gabe and I are kind of in a mood. We just wanted to do something weird today. So that's what we're going to do. You may have already noticed behind me, this is root beer on the S4. You've probably never seen root beer before because it's a color that doesn't get used a lot and doesn't get sold a lot. But we wanted to use it today. To be dead honest with you, it's not at all what I expected. I thought root beer was much darker than this. But apparently it's not. Gabe and I both sprayed these coats down and looked at each other and were like, this isn't what we remember root beer looking like. But I think this actually may play to our advantage because it's a lot more saturated, and that brings us to what pearl we're going to use today. We wanted to throw a HyperShift on top of root beer. We looked at all of them and identified all of the safe ones. You would think with brown, a green, a red, a gold, those are safe options. Those would probably look pretty good. So what did we do? We identified the riskiest option, which is ZTA HyperShift, which is a really saturated blue and purple. Blue and purple really have no business going over brown. That's why we're going to spray it. How is this going to look? I don't know. Gabe, do you know? No. And it may be a disaster, but that's okay because we just wanted to do something different. When you've been doing these videos and experiments and color combos like we have for the last 11 plus years, once in a while you get the itch to do something that's most likely a bad idea. So here goes 5 grams per gallon of ZTA HyperShift. We want to go low pigment load here because we don't want to just take these really saturated, opaque HyperShift powders and just completely suffocate the brown underneath. We want the brown to play a role. That's the whole point. We thought about going interference HyperShift because the white powder HyperShifts are going to just kind of create an effect element over the brown. We thought that was too safe, too easy. So if you take a look at the ZTA, gorgeous pearl, super bright saturated blues with a deep violet purple. I'll show you a little stick of truth here. Look how those blues are really popping. All right, now, ZTA over root beer, let's go. All right, guys, we're done. Now, we knew what we were getting into when we started this project. We wanted to get weird, and the end result is weird. I know what ZTA looks like when it's sprayed traditionally in full coverage over a black base. And this is not it. The bright, beautiful blues and the deep violet purples that are normally there and present with ZTA are not there. The brown is definitely playing a role in the end result. Does it look good? I'm gonna take it outside right now and you guys let me know. Take a good look at it, leave a comment below, rate this thing 1 through 5. 1, you think this is awful, and 5, you absolutely love it. If you want to dip your own car, you know what to do. Click right here. We have a ton of kits to help you dip everything from your emblems, your wheels, and of course your whole car. I wanted to get weird, and we did. I had a lot of fun doing something different this video. I hope you guys liked the way it came out. I'll see you on the next one.